Hey everyone, it's Adam here from Vegan Food and Fitness, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a delicious smoothie bowl, and it is full of protein, full of fruit and fiber. It's got oats in it, it's got like a lovely natural sweetness too. It's completely vegan, completely plant-based. It will keep you full for a long time. It's packed full of nutrients. It'll just give you that like natural energy as well to like start the day right. You're gonna love it. Oh, I'll leave the link in the description box below. I'll go through all of that with you now. So these are the ingredients that I'm going to be using for the smoothie bowl. Obviously we've got a range of different frozen berries there, and you can add whichever extra fruits that you'd like to it if you want to. I've also got a frozen banana, and again, this is just my preference. Again, you can substitute this with a cup of whichever other fruit you'd like, but I think it goes really well with the berries. I've got 1 cup of oats. The oats will again bulk out the smoothie bowl, keep you fuller for longer, and they're also really high in fiber as well as the fruits. I'm using Agave Nectar. That's 1 tablespoon, and that's basically for added sweetness. If you haven't got Agave Nectar in, you can substitute it with another syrup, or you can add a couple of pitted dates instead. I'm using 150 milliliters of almond milk. This is the unsweetened kind, but you can use whichever nut milk you prefer. I've got 1 scoop of protein. Again, this is really useful before I hit the gym, and it really helps with recovery. And I've got 1 scoop of the creatine powder as well, and I take this just before the gym. It just gives me that extra boost when I'm there. So now I'm gonna blend these all up and create the smoothie bowl. So there's no specific order that you need to add these in. I'd maybe add the nectar towards the end though, just because it may get stuck a little bit more towards the bottom of the blender. So as you guys know, usually I use my NutriBullet for blending my smoothies every morning, and that works really well. What I'm using today though is just it's not a specific brand, but I'm using a more high-powered blender. The reason being is it has more capacity. Because there's not much liquid going into this, I want to make sure that it all blends properly. So usually a high-powered blender will work better. This is the one I'm using.
Never left my side once.
So although I've made the smoothie bowl now, and that would be absolutely fine to eat, what I'm gonna really do is top it off with some extra fruits, some coconut, and a few extra toppings as well, just to give it that extra excitement, because you know, it's a Sunday after all. And you know, if you can't enjoy yourself on a Sunday, what day can you enjoy yourself? Exactly. Let's add these toppings. One of the toppings I'm gonna use is just to drizzle some of this Sweet Freedom chocolate syrup on there. It's absolutely beautiful. It goes with so many different things. You can put it into like milk and make it into a hot chocolate, like an almond milk hot chocolate. It'd be lovely. You can also drizzle it over your porridges and anything really. It just goes so well. 100% vegan, and it's just incredible. I'm going to try and show it to you without pouring it over. Packed full of fruit, full of fiber, really help your like digestive system as well. You know, it's just packed full of flavor. I'm probably not going to get through the whole thing straight away. I might share some with Anna if she's lucky. But yeah, it's got lovely sweetness. It's just a lovely, lovely dish. A great way to start the morning. So the best part now is trying some. Oh yeah, look at that. This is going to be really nice. Oh, it's the bee's knees. I don't know if bees have knees. It's gonna keep you full for at least, I'd say 3 to 4 hours or so. So if you don't like snacking in between meals, or you wanna maybe like cut down on that, then this kind of recipe would be perfect. So definitely try it out. If you like these kind of recipes and you want to see more, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like the video, hit the like button, it's right there. And leave a comment as well. I'd love to know like your thoughts, maybe what you'd like to see next in terms of plant-based recipes. And I'll see you all very soon. Take care.